The next Unpacked event, during which Samsung will introduce the next Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5, won't likely happen for another month or so. The bigger folder-shaped cover screen on the later model is expected to result in more noticeable design improvements, while the book-like foldable is supposed to have a far more camera-friendly exterior and may put more of an emphasis on enhancing other features. You see, up until this point, the most of the excitement around the Galaxy Z Fold 5 has been on the idea that the future foldable flagship would include a new water drop hinge, which will not only increase the phone's durability but also make the crease a lot less noticeable. The crease on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be 15% smaller than the one we've seen on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. However, according to information obtained by trustworthy tipster Ice Universe, this may not be the case. Since the water drop hinge was meant to be a design revolution and take better care of the crease, this figure now looks to have decreased by a very little amount, but it seems that will not be the case. More recent sources claim that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be the first foldable phone to get an IP58 grade for water and dust resistance. As for the specifications, we anticipate customized variations of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 much like with the Galaxy S23 Ultra. It's also probable that we will see another customized soak sheet in addition to worldwide Qualcomm availability. For the Z series, that is nothing new since the Z Fold 4 didn't have an Exynos model. We anticipate that the trend from the previous generation, which combined 12 GB of RAM with up to 1 TB of USS 3.1 storage, will hold true for another year, although with the expected inclusion of UFS 4.0 storage in the wake of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. On Twitter, Ice Universe says he obtained precise details on the Z Fold 5's crease. Although the Z Fold 4 has the new water drop design hinge, he claims to have seen the real phone and notes that the crease appears identical to it. The Z Fold 5 will be introduced by Samsung at the Unpacked event next month on July 26th, so I suppose we'll find out soon enough. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.